Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are learning second conditional. Second conditional is used to talk about imaginary, unlikely or impossible situations in the present or future. It's like saying, if this happened, but probably it won't, then that would happen. For example, if I won the lottery, I would buy a car. If plus past tense plus would plus verb. Imagined conditions plus imagined result. Let us see a few examples of second conditional. If I were a bird, I would fly across the city. If she had more time, she would travel the world. If we lived on Mars, we would need spacesuits. If he studied harder, he would pass the test. If you spoke French, you would understand the movie. Second conditionals, imaginative or unreal situations. If I were invisible, I would sneak into the movies. If animals could talk, we would understand their feelings. If I lived on the moon, I would bounce everywhere. These are all imaginative situations. They are unreal. These all come under the category of second conditionals. Here are a few examples. If she had a better camera, she would click a better picture. If I were the principal, I would give everyone a day off. If they worked harder, they would get promoted. If we had more time, we would finish the project. If he paid attention in class, he would understand the poem. If students asked more questions, they would learn faster. If I had a car, I would drive to school. If it rained today, we would stay indoors. If you invited her, she would come to the party. While doing second conditionals, we make a few mistakes. The first one, using present tense in the if clause. If I win the lottery, I would buy a car. It is wrong. If I won the lottery, I would buy a car. Second mistake, using will instead of would. If she studied, she will pass. This is incorrect. If she studied, she would pass. That's correct. The next mistake is using was instead of were for imaginary situations. If I was rich, instead of was, we are supposed to use were. If I were rich, I would travel. Were is used for all subjects in second conditionals to show it is imaginary. Thank you, everyone.